Alright. See all of this? Cut a lot out, but this is why. See this crap? All the fender was drilled, popped out. So it already had leaks and cuts. I'm gonna grind all this down and get it smooth. But that's really bad right there. So I gotta repair all this anyway. But look at this crap. For some reason my tire went low and I got cut. Gee, I wonder why. Look at all this shit. So this thing is inadvertently going to end up with a mini tub, but for right now this is all it's going to do, and I'll seal it and probably just put some fabric or something in between to fill this gap, because I know that I'm going to come back and do a mini tub. Let's see, here's a gap. I was going to tie this into the side, but this is the same area that a mini tub would go, so I may end up just cutting it all out. Alright, now on to greater things. Get the gasket in the fuel pump, get it mounted straight up and down. I already got the parts and have them bent for that. And then I'm going to pull these axles, put the brakes backing plates on, and slide the new axles in, and maybe set all the brakes in place. They won't get, the brake lines won't get terminated today, but well, they might. I actually might have enough stuff to do it, and I have the tool and everything. I just got to do a double flare on both of these hard lines back around here on both sides, and then I have the stainless lines and the self-plug screws from the Cobra brakes. So wish me luck.